Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 2025 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Below is a detailed breakdown for each of the 2025 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, covering their MSRP, engine, power, torque, transmission, seat height, weight, fuel capacity, and key features. MSRP, €7,700. Engine, 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power, 47 horsepower. Torque, 52 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 740 millimeters. Weight, 241 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 15.7 liters. Features: Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, forward-set foot pegs, long-range comfort seat, and a large fuel tank. The Super Meteor 650 is Royal Enfield's bold foray into the cruiser segment. With its striking design, wide front forks, and minimalistic yet muscular styling, the Super Meteor is built for long highway cruises. Powered by the same 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine as the Interceptor 650, this bike promises smooth performance, a comfortable ride, and eye-catching aesthetics. Whether you're taking long rides or enjoying a city cruise, the Super Meteor brings it all with the perfect balance of power and comfort. The 2025 model further elevates Royal Enfield's focus on versatility and value, offering multiple trim options to cater to different rider preferences. Its retro-inspired design is matched with practical features such as a large fuel tank for extended range, a comprehensive braking system, and refined ergonomics for improved rider comfort. Additionally, the Super Meteor 650 is equipped with advanced safety features like dual-channel ABS, ensuring peace of mind on all types of roads. As a modern cruiser, the Super Meteor 650 seamlessly blends nostalgic elements with contemporary performance, offering an enjoyable and immersive riding experience at an accessible price point, solidifying Royal Enfield's place in the competitive motorcycle market.